Hello and welcome to Forest Thrills. In today's video, we've just had 2 night stay here in Blackpool at the Big Blue Hotel. These are the deluxe double rooms, so stay tuned, we're going to give you the full tour, and at the very end we're going to let you know exactly what we thought. So, let's go guys. As usual guys, I will start off at the door. We have a fire escape plan, and just below there's a peephole. There's your locking system. This controls the lights. This is already in, that's for the electricity. If you're wondering what that is for the heated towel rail, which is in the bathroom. I'll show you that shortly. Just next to the entrance though, there's a massive full length mirror, and behind me, just in there's a bathroom. I'll get to that shortly, but to the side is where the goodies are kept. There's some shortbread, kettle, a couple of mugs, and everything you could possibly need, from hot chocolate to tea, coffee and decaf coffee. Above there's some spare pillows, and below there's a bin. Now just next to that we have this open wardrobe. There's plenty of coat hangers in there and 2 rails, loads of our stuff. And just below, excuse the mess, but there is an ironing board and an iron as well. I'll take you into the room and give you a brief overview. Really lovely, very cosy, makes you feel like you're coming home. It's warm and I feel like it just looks really nice. I'll start off at the side here though. You may have this cabinet, stuff on top is mine, don't worry. Above there's this mirror, and on top here as well actually, complimentary water and a couple of glasses, one sparkling and one is still. And inside this cabinet, open this side first, that's just some storage space, and on this side, that is where the hairdryer is kept. To the side here you can unpack your luggage, and over here we have this nice desk area. I do really like this. We ordered room service earlier and it was really handy to just sit here and have something to eat. However, on the desk there's a nice pencil and paper, telephone, a couple of artificial plants, nice little touch, and loads of little Pleasure Beach booklets. There's some plug sockets and some tissues. Of course, I'll not miss out the chair. Just to the side, I'll show you the floor actually. Some nice kind of laminate flooring, yeah, just adds to the whole feel of the room. And these 2 chairs. You might be wondering why there's 2 chairs pointing at the wall. They're not just pointing at the wall. There's a nice little fireplace here and a balcony. I shall show you that in the morning because the view is to die for. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, there's a balcony there, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's out there. There's obviously a TV in the corner, nothing fancy on there, but it does do the job. There's a couple of plug sockets below, and to the side here there's also some nice artwork on the wall. Sure, it's a radiator that's in that, and the main feature of course is the double bed. Very comfy, and either side there are these nice lamps. Both sides of the bed are near enough the same, except this one does have some of the light switches as well. There's storage below there. I'll take you over the other side anyway, just in case you don't believe me, but yeah, it's much the same. Storage below, and there's a light switch there, and the lamp as well. Very, very cosy room, and it just has that really nice feeling. As I mentioned, cosy. Next up, guys, I'll take you into the bathroom and I'll show you in there. So stay tuned. Just in here, we have the bathroom. And yes, it is an actual bathroom. There's a bath in this one. The umbrella right here is ours. Don't worry, there's not a random umbrella sat in here. It was pouring down with rain outside, so that is soaked and we left it in the bath to dry off. Above though, I'll not miss it, there's a tap, and above there is a power shower. Controls are just on the wall, shower screen there, and there is a mat right here. Just to the side, we have a toilet, bin, toilet roll holder, and as I mentioned, this is the heated towel rail, and there's plenty of towels on there as well. On this little shelving unit here, we do have some spare toilet roll and some complimentary toiletries. If you've watched our vlogs before, you know I love some freebies. Here we have some body cream, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, there's even this little bar of soap, and a shower cap as well. So that is a lovely touch from the Big Blue. Brand is Algatherm. There's some tissues just there, and some sanitary bags to the side. Behind me, we have the sink area, which is absolutely massive. Huge, huge area, and a tiny little sink. There's a mirror above though. Sink's there. Those are ours. There are a couple of glasses, and there's this storage space at the side in case you have any toiletries. Some ports there for electric shavers, and a little vanity mirror on the wall. It's a nice bathroom. It's clean, plenty of space, and it does the job. As I promised earlier, I have opened up the balcony doors to show you all outside and the absolutely amazing view. Of course, when you stay at a pleasure beach hotel, one of the features is going to be the park itself, and this balcony showcases the park brilliantly. Amazing views. It's early in the morning and a lot of the rides are testing, so what an amazing opportunity to see that. See steeplechase just going round there. Fantastic. So now that you've seen the room tour, let us know down in the comments, what did you think? Personally, we've had a great experience here in this hotel. From the moment we walked in, we checked in very, very late on a Friday night. We phoned up in advance, we were a little bit worried. They might think we're not going to show up. No, that was perfectly fine. We had someone on the desk 24/7. So our first worry was completely eliminated. But from the check-in, all the way until we're about to check out, it's been spot on. It's a very family-friendly hotel, and it's reasonably busy this time of year. It's the summer holidays, so you can expect a little noise from some families, but it's not stopped us. We've been out at the park a lot of the time, so we have really just been using the room as somewhere to rest our heads. But any time we've had in this room, it's been extremely comfortable. The beds, you're going to get a great night's sleep. The rooms are extremely spacious, and our top thing, they're clean. The rooms here are spotless. The cleaners do their job brilliantly. Also, another thing, it didn't actually say it, I don't think it said it on the booking, but breakfast was included. Either that or we just didn't notice it, but it's a nice surprise. We showed up and breakfast was included in the price. I'll get to the price in a moment, but it's a buffet breakfast. There's continental options and there's cooked breakfast. There's teas, coffees, juice, everything you can imagine down there. Brilliant, good quality stuff. So that was a lovely surprise, and as I just said, the price for the 2 nights, it's quite a last minute booking, but the 2 nights cost us £310. In total, that's for 2 adults staying here in the deluxe double rooms. A very fair price, and the question I like to ask is, was it rubbish or was it worth it? And it's been worth it. These rooms have been brilliant. We can't complain about a single thing. Staff have been super friendly and we've had a great time here. So, if you've watched to this point and haven't clicked down below, right down there, and clicked subscribe button, please do. You've stuck around this long, so you might as well. Drop a thumbs up on the video if you can. It really helps the video spread, helps our community grow, and from us both here at Forest Thrills, we'd just like to say thank you. And until next time guys, see you later.